Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you are all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this beautiful dream catcher and Macrame Shelf. So let's get started. So to make this shelf, we have this shelf and it is 14 inches in length and 5 inches in width. Then we need this dowel. It is 16 inches in length, and we need this 3 mm macrame cord. Then we are going to require these rings. The bigger one is 12 inches, this is 4 inches, and this is 1.1 inches in diameter, almost you can say 1 inches. So I just take this ring, this is 1 inches in diameter, and then I cut 12 cords, and each cord is 20 inches in length, and I just folded them in half like this. Find the middle point and then start making reverse larks and knot like this, and we are going to attach 12 cords just like this all over the ring. So the distance here from the inner ring to the outer ring is 1.5 inches, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5 and 1.5, 1.5. So you have to check this distance before securing this with this rope. 0.4, 0.4, 0.4. Now carefully fix this on your board so it won't move. This is how the circle is covered by the cords we are using. These are all 20 inches cord, and they are coming from the smaller ring to the medium and then the larger in the continuity. Now I'm going to add 75 inches of cord, fold it in half like this, and we will make reverse larks and knot here, and the second one here. So these two cords are added here now. Again 75 inches of cord here, and 75 inches of cord folded in half here. So around this, and this 1, 2, 3, 4 cords, we are going to add 75 inches of cords by the help of reverse larks and knot. We are going to add another 75 inches of cord here by the help of larks and knot. And you need to drag these cords, squeeze them so that everything is nice, tightly done like this. I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For these 8 cords, I'm going to add cords on either side, and these are 20 inches in length, folded in half. So by the help of lark's head knot, I'm going to add this, and then on the other side as well, like this. These are 20 inches of cords folded in half. So this is one set and this is one set. Now in between these, like, I'm going to add another cord, again 20 inches long. So like this, we are going to add these cords. Now for this one, I will add one cord here, one cord here, and then in this set I will add single cord here, like this. Then I'm going to add one cord here and one cord here, and then here in center I'm going to add a single cord again. So 2 cords around this main cord, and this is what I done here, and in the center there's one more cord. In this central cord we are going to make spiral knots. Here we will make spiral knots, and then here we will make spiral knots, and then here every central cord we are going to make spiral knots. So you need to understand this, that this cord coming from the shorter ring is our base. This is the central cord. We are taking this as a central cord, and then we are arranging cords like this. The central cord coming from here, one cord on the left side and one cord is on the right side, like this. Similarly, this is the central cord, one cord is on the right and left side. This is one side. Similarly here you can see central cord is coming from here and 2 cords are on the left and right side, and in between there is a central cord, this. So we are going to arrange this circle, this wheel, like this. So here you can also see this is the central cord attached here, and I added 2 more cords. These are 20 inches long cord folded in half and attached here by reverse lark's head knot. And there's a central cord. Then this cord is coming from here, attached here by the help of double half hitch, and then 2 cords are here. Again a central cord, 2 cords, a central cord, 2 cords, a central cord, 2 cords, a central cord, and then 2 cords here, and then central cord. So this is how we are going to attach these cords to the wheel. Next we are going to attach this whole structure by the help of double half hitch, and we will secure it. So this is the portion from this point to this where I attached 75 inches long cords. So 1, 2, 3, 4 cords where I'm going to make spiral knot design, and this pattern we are going to make by using 100 inches of cord folded in half. And for the rest of the pattern, like for the whole ring, we are going to use 50 inches of cord, and then we are going to make spiral knot here, 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 and here. So this is 100 inches of cord, and I just folded it in half, pick the central point here, and then we are going to make spiral knots like this. So make one knot here like this and pull it up. You have to do it carefully, drag it upwards. There should be no gap here. Now make the spiral knot again. Like this, drag it a little bit up, and then just continue making it. So reverse 4, over the cord, then behind these 2 cords to the loop of 4 and tight it. Continue doing this till you reach the end. So for the longer cords we are going to use 100 inches of cord to make spiral knots, and for the smaller portion, that is this one, the rest of the wheel, we are going to use 50 inches of cord and we will make spiral knots. So when you reach to this point, grab these and under the ring, and then make double half hitch. By making this double half hitch, you will also cover this ring by the rope. So that's why you're not covering this rope initially, because you can do it like this. Do it one more time so that the ring is completely covered. Once this is all done, now just turn your piece and grab the cords one by one and make alternative half hitch like this, and like this. Just to secure it from the back side, like this, and one by one we'll do that. Pull the cords to keep them tight, and then finally make these. We will apply white glue over these knots, which will remain transparent on dryness, and then we will cut these portions. So now we will take 14 inches of distance, and then we will pick these 2 cords, which are the central 2 cords, and we will add these 2 cords in this. So here you can see I just attached these 4 cords by the help of reverse larks knot, and then I make one square knot just to fix it, and then I just pass these cords to the holes of this rack. We have to be very careful. The rack should be straight and the dowel above should be straight, like this. And now we are going to make knots under these shelves to fix that, and the distance is 14 inches for the front rows and 13 inches for the rows behind these 2 front rows. So here you can see I just made these over the hand knots. These are the simple knots, and now you can see that this rack is attached like this. So now I'm going to cover this 5 mm cord by the help of a spiral knot, and I'm going to use the same cord which we are using in making the dreamcatcher. So we will make spiral knots, and 180 inches of one cord will be enough to cover this 14 inches distance. So we just completed our project today. I hope you love this beautiful macrame shelf. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until the next tutorial, please take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.